Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how you can mount two stamps onto one block so that you can stamp everything at one time. So let me show you how I did that. Okay, to place the two stamps onto one block, I've got my clear block here, and I've lined up my larger sentiment here with my grid paper so that it's nice and straight. The thing about photopolymer is they can flex a little bit when you pull them off your blocks or off this sheet that holds them. I've adhered that to my block, and I've got this second sentiment lined up on my grid paper the way I want it, so it's nice and straight. And as long as I'm lining the bottom of this thanks up with that straight line on the grid paper, it should put that sentiment lined up below it. And I'm just going to kiss that onto the stamp, and so now I've got both adhered, and I'm going to ink it up and stamp. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Nice and straight. That's a quick and easy tip for adding multiple stamps to one block. If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.